at the Raku fireblasters weekend here in Pittsburgh, and as you can see, lots of Raku kilns in operation here of different designs. And over there in the corner we've got, over there in the corner, I should say, straight ahead of me, I don't know if we're ready to lift off yet, the lid. Oh, we've got Don Gilmore here. Don Gilmore just about to...
I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm coming back here with this hot coffee.
Yeah, you don't need gloves.
Woo. That's Jim the Bull here from Pine Creek Pottery. Hey Don, is it Pine Creek Pottery?
Yes.
Pine Creek Pottery, Jim the Bull. And he's just doing some reduction over there. This is an event that goes on every year. This is the fourth year.
That was mine.
That turned out pretty.
You can hear the crackle, crackle.
Going extra over there.
Look at it.
I think that angel came out pretty cool too.
Debbie made that today. He doesn't like this. Is Duffy's here. This is your. This is for his own. So that's how it is.
I have a kilt like that too.
Oh, is that yours? No, that bowl. Oh, this one here.
Are they still here? They fine. Yeah, they've
On.
Yep.
We have 700.
It's her. It's Marianne.
Thank you, Mr. Don Gilmore from Dakota Engineering. Speed Racers Anonymous. This is a nicely crafted kiln by Don.
That one there.
Fire.
So,
That's it.
Yeah. I beat in the fire. She said, yeah.
That one's going. This one's going. Dan's is going. I think this one's going. Yeah.
Do you hear what my wife said to him?
what did she say?
She said, Jim, I like what you've done to the front of the house.
Oh yeah.
I had guys working in the building that had a certain shop downstairs for me.
I hope I have enough gas for today. I think grab's my tank.
Probably a spare bottle hanging around.
We got all the trains are going right now, so it's good.
Yeah, the weather's turned out nice, isn't it? It's sort of...
We've been very blessed this year.
it was chilly earlier.